Okay, let me just go over a few things.
Okay, what is important is that you keep this part in here, exactly how they have it here, because this is existing. What we're doing is this road going into this, so it connecting to this, but this would stay, right? This road would connect to this, connect, connect, and stop here. But I want to make sure we're in the boundary. I think you went out. Let me see. Think with your example you went out. Like all of this now, we maintain this part there so they could see, and then you put the add-on. This here, this part, put in a different color, and take out these buildings. Well, put a version with the building and a version without. But the add-on use a different color.